morning friends, and welcome back to a new studio vlog. Today is Monday, February 23rd. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and I just dropped off my son at school. I made myself a tea because I am getting sick again. I am so sick and tired of being sick all winter long, but my throat is full of like nasty snot and I cannot sleep at night, so I am tired and not feeling the best, but I have a lot of work to get done, so that is what we are going to be doing today. I put on some eye patches in the hopes that my under eye bags will look a little bit okay, but I already put on the wax melter and yesterday I filled it up with wax so that today we are ready to pour. On the agenda for today is pouring a lot of candles and then also finishing up some of the candles that we made in the last vlog. Yesterday I also packaged up a few online orders, and one of those orders was the huge wholesale order that we also made in the last vlog. So that is ready to go to the post office, so that is also something that I need to do today. But in case you were wondering, these under eye patches are from Summer Fridays. These are the jet lag eye patches and I love these so much. I actually did a little Summer Fridays haul on Cold Beauty. They came out with a few new products and I also wanted a restock of my eye patches. So I got a restock of the eye patches. Then I also got the Summer Fridays Sweet Pink Duo Lip Butter Balm sets. They came out with a new shade in Strawberry Soft Serve, which I'm very excited about. I love the Summer Fridays lip butter balms. And then they also came out with lip liners and lip stains. I have enough lip liners already, but I wanted to try out their lip stains, so I picked up two shades, Maple and Almonds, which I will be filming a reel on, but I'm very excited to try these out. Yesterday I did film when I packaged up those online orders, so I will insert that now. I wasn't really feeling vlogging yesterday because again, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I'm done with these eye patches, I'm going to put on some makeup and we'll get started. This is, by the way, everything that we are going to be pouring today. I prepped a lot of this stuff yesterday. The white ones were already prepped if you saw my last vlog, but these are for the spring collection. So pretty. And then also these coffee mugs. So in the meantime, I'm going to calculate how much fragrance that I need for everything, and then we'll get started. Alright, makeup is done and I've actually already made a few wax melts over here as toppings for one of the candles. And I'm happy to report that the wax is also fully melted, which means it is time to start on the candles. Alright, candles are all poured and I also finished unmolding these wax melts. I'm still waiting on the last batch, but these are actually to put on one of the candles that I just poured. My vision was to put these on top of these candles, so like this. But anyway, it is already 12:30 in the afternoon. Time is getting away from me because at 3 o'clock I need to take Alex out for a walk and pick up my son Jack from school. But right now I'm going to take a quick lunch break. I'm actually going to the post office with all of the packages and then popping into the grocery store to pick up some lunch. Lunch is served. I am eating some Mediterranean rice guys. I added some lemon juice on top and some feta cheese. And whilst I eat that, I'm going to watch a YouTube video. So I'm quickly taking a break. Whenever I make candles, I do need a lot of breaks for some reason because it is very intense. Once I am done eating, I'm going to start on the wax melts, and then also I need to do some computer work. I need to design a few labels, and I also need to design the cards that go with the monthly subscription boxes. And again, I only have until 3 o'clock. It is already 1 now. And then tonight I have a nail appointment. So again, I don't really have that much time tonight to finish. So I just finished designing the labels for my flower shop candle. I think it looks so good. And then this is the design for the card that goes with the candle of the month. So yeah, I'm going to print this out now. As you can hear, I am losing my voice a little bit. I am getting really sick, I think. But yeah, I'm going to finish the wax melts that I started, and hopefully I can finish a few candles as well. Alright, so for my monthly subscription candles, I always print out a little card in the theme of the candle, which also has an explanation of the scent. And I print this out on like pretty thick paper, and I print out 4 on 1 sheet, and then I'm just going to use my paper cutter and cut it into 4 pieces. And this way I have 4 cards for my 4 subscriptions. Alright, as you guys saw, I just made myself an iced latte, and I already unmolded these little flowers. The lilac ones are setting right now, and in here is a yellow version. And those flowers are for my flower shop candle, this one right here, which we just poured. And those are going to be the toppings for that. My printer is printing out everything as we speak. It is almost 3 o'clock, so I'm going to finish my coffee and then take Alex out for a walk. Time for a little update. It is 4 o'clock right now, and I just picked up Jack from school. I took Alex out for a walk, and I also got in an online order, so I'm going to pack that as well. Kiekeboe! Hij zoentje gooien? Het is een koek, hè?
Ja.
Is lekker?
Koekenvoeken.
Koeken voor Jack. And since I always forget to end my vlogs, I'm actually going to end it right now because again, it is already quite late. I'm getting sick. I am going to head out for my nail appointment as well. So I'm just going to finish a few things up and then the day will be over basically. So thank you so much for watching another one of my studio vlogs. I hope you enjoyed the studio vlog. I love you and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys. Wacht, ga je nog een keer aandoen?
Ja.
Heel. Mag een hele? Nee, een hele.
Een hele. Ik kan pakken.
Oké, geef maar. Een hele. Eén hele. Eentje. Oké, een paarse.
En nog een water.
Een paarse. Een witte.
Een witte.
Nog een hele.
En een hele. Nog een hele.
Nog een paarse.
En nog passen, nog passen.
Ja.
En nog witte.
En nog een witte. Dank u.
En nog hele. Deze?
Nee, wacht. Ja, alsjeblieft, wacht. Ga je hem aandoen?
Ja.
Warm, hè?
Ja.
1 hele. 1.
En
Allee, pak maar een hele. Deze. Allee, en nu een paarse.
een paarse hier.
Dank u. Een witte.
Een witte.
Dank u. Een hele.
Daar.
Ja. Een paarse.
Hier is tussen.
Ja.
Tussen, nee.
Dank u. En nog 1 witte.
En hier is een witte.
Dank u wel.
En een bloemetje.
Wacht, die heb ik al. Ik ga deze nemen.
En toen naar David. Met een witte wollen. Wollen.